tele o mawhaaso i lei uko mātutua. Oronga whatu malona nganga atu toa orona ani. Tua ia ene o la alo o Quentin, Ethan, Dante, Messiona, Fine Feleino o Tiana. Whalaina o tō le li. A mata mei rona ko nei le tu maro o me Loia Sili. O le toi tusa tō aso. E whapena na tō misi le tu maa tō maina. A tō whapsiri pe ai se a, i o whapsiri masani nā. Nga rā tō misi e tangata whapsiri o te lato koe kuara. Mo ele ma lona whanau, ma tō anu kongi whatasi ki riki ia tō. Whōro ki ngā, tō ki ngā, whatupu pēr tō whatuatua reri, ma lona alofa tu noa, ma lona alofa muti vai. Tim, Ethan, Dante, and Tiana, father's life is blessed and was devoted to you. He was so very proud of you. He would do anything for you, and he did. You loved your dad, and I acknowledge and thank you for loving him. I know your father would say at this time, look after your mum, look after Utiana, look after each other. Because if you do that, you will keep his memory alive forever. Of all the attributes I admired about your father, the ones which stood out most is that he was a kind and a loving man. That's why so many people loved him. You see, you attract the kind of person that you are. I also loved your father. I remember he was there for me when I needed him. And I was there for him when he needed me. After all that we'd been through, I remember how happy he was when I was appointed the Chief Justice. I'm glad to have brought that dream alive for him. May his soul rest in peace and love always. Seven, uso pere, wila o malanga. Moli atu mātua rofa ngai te tatu aia. I lai tū te tatu toi pēroa. So 4-year brother. Moli atu la whatai tele wala nei aru noa tai tari o sauniga. Tama wi atu le ri, lau sunga me whatua me nofo aro, ono o loto wala au.